So here we have my little setup jig. I'm running an Uno on this shield just because, let me put some more light on it. There you go. Just because it provides an abundance of outputs. I mean, every single signal not only has a signal itself, but power and ground everywhere. And here's the old Nano. You can't possibly see this, but on the chip itself I've painted, no, not painted, I've used a black indelible marker which the camera's not picking up at all, and put a big O on it because this particular Nano uses the old bootloader. So just a little reminder for me. Okay, then we go across and I put this little piezo buzzer, little DC buzzer here, and then there's the power, ground and signal output from the Doppler radar unit. Now currently the code just basically says, I'm waiting to stop moving, there you are. The LED on the board lights up when I move. As you see, I just moved, move, and also I've put in a little beeper. See, as soon as, I mean, look, let me back off a bit. Right, trying to stay very still. Now I move my left hand a little. That was it. That's all it took. Back off a bit further. That's how sensitive the thing is. And being 5.8 gigahertz, it will go through buildings, doors, walls, because it's not infrared in any way. It's not light. It's radar. I think I need to disconnect that buzzer because it's going to drive me crazy. Okay, disconnecting the buzzer. So for example, I had this thing running, sitting extremely still, so I didn't trigger it. And then Denise came towards the shed door, and before she'd even opened the shed door, it sensed her and went beep through the shed door, which, you know, from here, you see this little guy here, to the shed door, which is way over there. And it beam penetrated from here through the door and picked up a human at the other side of the door. So what I'm thinking now is to actually take this little Doppler radar board module and add a Wi-Fi module to it, and then add those two into my Mark III door opener project. Why, you ask? Well, one, it would be nice to have the keyless door entry system Wi-Fi enabled, because that means I can update and monitor it and change it and do what I like. And two, if I have this radar pointing out towards the path coming down to the house, the front door, then if, for example, the UPS guy or the FedEx guy or the post office guy persons walk down the path, it'll go set this off, and then within my office I'll get a beep that'll tell me somebody's come down the path to the front door, and I can look at my CCTV system and see who it is. So I think that's going to be the next project. The garage, not the garage door opener, the keyless entry front door system has been running now for, I don't know, a year or two maybe. Still working perfectly fine. The cheap little coloured liquid crystal display from China is still running fine. So I think this is the next add-on, is to Wi-Fi enable it and then add the Doppler radar unit. I think that'd be good. All right. Bye.